possession. Your eyes are chasing me, object of protection. But then I don't smile for a little while, so you smash me down to the ground. You realize that you miss me, well, then you always wanna fix me, stick me back together with cheap glue. I don't need your worship, I am just a person. I am not your goddess, and I don't need your devotion. Don't need your devotion. Don't need your devotion. Don't pray to me. No, I can't save you.
I'm struggling, so it's a plank right now, so I'm not doing it, but I'm gonna finish 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 videos before the cooldown, so I'll just come back at the end. Okay, gotta go.
You do best.
Finished the 2-week shred from Chloe Ting. So I took 5 minutes to just catch my breath because I could not even breathe to begin with. Yeah, I might do another one, but for now I'm gonna let my body rest a few days because my shoulders have been hurting. And I'm going to go for a walk because I get 1 hour a day. Again, it sounds like I'm in prison. You can get more than 1 hour a day, but I'm just doing the 1 hour a day walk during lockdown. So yeah, that was fun. I'm glad I did it.
2 hours later.
Live from Paris. It's Saturday night. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and then I'll show you guys what I have for dinner.
The next day. Two hours later.
Okay. You know, it's really hard to film without seeing yourself because I have a GoPro and that's just how it is. So I'm gonna go return these dresses, and then I usually wear the Yves Saint Laurent Opium, but they gave me Jimmy Choo Eau de Parfum something something. It looks like a diamond, like a purple diamond bottle, and it's just more feminine. And I'm trying to be more feminine, as we can all tell today. But I think I'm gonna go exchange it for that. I hope I can. So I'm gonna run a handful of errands starting with Zara. I'm gonna go like this with my Jordan 1s. And everybody's gonna stare because nobody dresses like this in Paris. This is really dress down. So dress down in Paris is jeans and a top and you're still looking cute. So this is definitely a vibe. So So yeah, shout out to Melody Asani.
Prism Power, merika!